Today I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate and almond cookies. You will need 300 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter, cubed and at room temperature, 150 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of white chocolate chips, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 75 grams of flaked almonds. To your flour add your caster sugar and your baking powder and give it a mix. Then add your flaked almonds and your white chocolate chips, and again give it a mix until everything is well distributed. Then add your butter, and using the tips of your fingertips you want to mix the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your egg and give it another mix and bring it together as a dough. I actually found my dough was a little on the dry side, so I added a teaspoon of water just to bring it together. So if you find that your dough is a little bit dry, just add a little bit of water. Then, having pre-lined a baking tray with baking paper, you want to roll your dough into smaller balls. Place them on the baking tray and then just push down on top with the palm of your hand, leaving space in between each of the cookies to allow for them to expand. My balls were probably about 2 tablespoons worth of dough, but that's because I wanted slightly larger cookies. If you want smaller ones, then go for about a tablespoon. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, for 12 to 16 minutes or until the sides start to golden. And there you have it. That's how you make white chocolate and almond cookies. Oh, thank you, baby. Can you take it out of my shopping?